Hello.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, good evening. Is it the right time to talk with you,
Yes,
sir?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, actually I started in the 13th April.
Hmm.
First 3 days I was with 600 ml, and other 3 days from 3 May to 5th May it is 200 ml water, 3 glass before each food.
Hmm.
3 times I am having food along with again 150 ml of water.
Hmm.
That is what I have done all these 6 days.
Hmm.
Okay, and what I feel, today's observation, my BP is from 133 up to 162. It is raised different level. Almost I measured it 8 times.
Yes, sir.
Okay, during 8 times it is showing different readings.
Hmm.
And varying from, dia is varying from 102 to 116.
Hmm.
Systolic is varying from 133 to 161.
Yes, yes.
Okay, and it's varied figures, but the lowest what I found is 133/102.
Hmm.
The highest what I felt is 161, 109.
Tell me one thing. How much water you used to drink with the meals earlier?
3 days, first 3 days,
No,
1
no,
week,
no, 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 no. I'm talking about much before, like 6 months before.
6 months before you were telling. I used to take regularly, early morning I used to have,
No, with the meals, with the meals.
with the meals nothing, sir.
How much time after the meal?
After meal, maybe half an hour, 45 minutes later, some 1 glass of water. Okay, and before lunch, 1 glass of water. That's it.
Okay. What is your health conditions? Kidneys are in perfect shape?
I have this polycystic kidney problem is there. Okay, that is one problem I'm having, and I have spondylosis, that is a cervical spondylosis problem. Then the other problem I have hernia too. That is umbilical hernia.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Have you? This is how? Which day is it? 6th, 7th day.
What, sir?
You're doing this water thing for how many days now?
From last 6 days. Today is my 6th day.
Earlier, have you taken the blood pressure on earlier days also?
Earlier days also I have taken.
Hmm.
During earlier days also it is almost same only.
It was
Same,
touching 160 then also.
Then also. Sometime, most of the time it was showing, before that it was showing 148, 105.
That is okay then. Then what you do is then most of the days you stick to that drinking 1 glass of water with each meal.
Okay.
So you have to do it for almost 5 days in a week, and 2 days only you increase the water intake.
Okay.
So what you can do is 3 days drink only 1 glass of water with 1 meal. That will be 3 glasses total. And after 3 days increase the water intake to about 6 glasses a day.
Okay.
And then again 3 days 3 glasses a day, and 1 day only that 3-1-3-1. That will be better for you. I think your BP is going up, is reacting very, very fast to any increase in the water intake.
Correct.
And if you
how it is reacting to water intake is more means BP will rise, sir?
Sir, BP is nothing but the fluid content in your body.
Okay.
So
fluid content is more means BP also will rise.
Yes, and fluid content is more, but fluid should reach the cells. So when the enough fluid is there, enough pumping power is there, but it is not reaching the cells, the blood pressure will keep going up. The body in a defense mechanism will try to push the blood as much as possible.
Okay.
So if it's going up and down, that is an indication it is not doing much harm. Going up and down is not an issue,
Okay.
but it should not keep going
But,
in one direction.
I feel pain in my
Spondylosis.
hand and shoulders region.
Yeah.
Okay, and it is right side of my heart. Sometimes pain also I feel.
No pain you feeling, but is it on the lower side as compared to earlier, or it is increasing?
It is increasing actually.
It is increasing as compared to earlier.
Yes, it is increasing.
How much?
Compared to pain, actually my left side hand is very flexible. Right side of the hand, when I feel it is something I have to do more pressure to lift.
Yeah, that's
Like
right. That is right. That happens sometimes, but you need to compare very, very, very clearly whether on the days when you are reducing the water intake, you feel this pain to go down or not.
When I reduce, it will go down.
So that is what I am trying to say. That drink 3 glasses of water on 3 days so that it keeps going down. It is rectifying itself. But at the same time, you cannot continue having low water intake for a very long period of time. Because there are certain other functions also of water which needs to be done.
Okay.
So you first have to basically monitor whatever your discomforts are, physical symptoms are there.
Okay.
You keep noting because you have to keep varying the water intake on a regular basis for a long time now.
Correct.
And just keep noticing when do you get relief.
Correct.
And those things you have to repeat more. Because there is nothing which is perfect. Neither drinking water with the meals is okay, nor before the meals is okay, nor there is no particular system which is okay. Everything has got a particular role to play.
Okay.
So everything must be done.
Okay. Okay.
So this is not a solution to reduce your fluid intake.
Okay.
At the same time, it is.
How come, after my food intake, can I go with the water after 1 hour?
No.
No, not necessary.
Not necessary. That is very, very dangerous for you. See,
Okay.
if you are drinking, I'll give you an example, or rather you can see a video which I'll post after a few minutes.
Okay.
There is a policeman, he is 30-year-old, he has IBS and he has fissures also, piles.
Okay. Okay.
And he said that he has this issue for the last 3-4 years.
Okay.
So I asked him when does he drink water and all that. So he drinks hot water in the morning. And I said, when you started drinking water and he stopped drinking water with the meals. He drinks water after 1 hour, 1.5 hours.
Okay.
So I asked him, when you started drinking water 1.5 hours after the meal. He said 3-4 years.
Okay.
So I said, see, why you cannot link it?
Okay.
People are somehow finding it very, very difficult to agree to this thing that drinking water 1 hour after the meal is too bad. What it does is it takes away all the acids of the stomach, which are essential for digestion, and these are all thrown in the body, in your large intestines, in your rectum and other places.
Correct.
And this damages all these organs.
Okay.
And whatever water you are drinking with the meals, that is basically softening your stool. Second, more and more fluid will get absorbed in the blood. Your blood volume will also go up.
Okay, well, actually, basically, what is the quantity of water I have to take along with my food?
That depends on the type of food. If you are having curries and all that, lot of curries, then maybe...
most of the time I have rice and curry.
That's what I'm saying. So if you have most of the time rice and curry, then maybe half a glass only. 150 ml only.
150 ml.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
But
and
once in a while you need to increase, because there are certain other things. If you are drinking, let us say, even 12 glasses of water in a day.
Okay.
That is also okay, because there are certain roles to be played by the water which is acidic. Maybe it has to clean up the rest of the system. But you don't need the cleaning on everyday basis. Maybe you need once in a 15 days or 20 days time.
Okay, okay.
So that is why this whole system has been made, wherein every possible situation is taken care of.
Okay. Okay, now see what I feel once I have this, in between water during my, lunch or whatever dinner, my stomach is getting a little bulge.
It is okay then. Then you do some walk and rest.
But I noticed my weight is got reduced in last 6 days.
Have you done walk and rest also, na?
Yeah.
See,
Because
90% of the people,
earlier,
90% of the people who do walk and rest, in the first 1 month, they lose about 3 to 6 kg of weight.
Correct. What I noticed, my earlier weight was 70. Now today I have seen it is showing 67.
Okay.
Okay, in a span of some,
6 days.
yes. But before, some 4 months back, my weight was 82. Now it is showing 67.
And there is no blood sugar.
I don't have sugar problem.
Sorry?
I don't have sugar problem.
See,
Okay.
your weight should not keep going down. If you, how many days back it was 82?
82 is just 3 months back.
See, that kind of weight
What
loss
happened,
is not good.
that is actually what happened, once I felt uncomfortable. Okay, that time doctor told me to do this
Yes.
cervical, spondylosis MRI, and after some couple of days they told me to go for a MRI of a brain. Okay, during MRI of a brain they told some minute clot is there karke. Okay, they started this statin therapy, that is rosuvastatin. Okay, that is a cholesterol, and they all of a sudden they have started this BP medicine. Like Conquer AM5 and one more medicine was there. Okay, these two medicine for BP and this rosuvastatin for cholesterol control. I have taken some 2 months almost. Later I stopped this rosuvastatin. I came to one Medifit Medislim karke one product, that is Ayurvedic. Okay. That also some 1 month I had taken. Now I am not taking any medicines from last 10 days.
Okay.
So BP increase is no problem, no sir?
No, if it is going up and down, then it's okay. Because it is coming
But
to the normal.
how to reduce this cholesterol level, sir?
See, once you start drinking water with the meals, it will automatically come down.
Okay, so
will take
drinking
my 3
drinking water along with the meal is a solution for cholesterol reduction.
Yes. In 3 to 6 months, it will be perfectly normal. Your all cholesterol, all blood abnormalities will be over.
Okay. Now, how to see? I have a problem of this cyst in the liver as well and cyst in the kidney as well.
See, there is nothing which can be done by any medicine in the world. The only possibilities is hydration, dehydration. Because these organs are basically made to function on hydration, dehydration principle only.
Okay.
So any drug which you are taking is not helping in that kind of hydration, dehydration. See, what the drug companies will do, they will dehydrate you.
Correct.
And if you get dehydrated, you will feel more thirsty also. So it's a vicious cycle.
Correct.
If you need to take less fluid, then take less fluid. What is the need to take 10 glasses of water and then take medicines to flush out that excess?
Correct. True.
And that is causing a lot of other inconveniences and issues. If you manage your fluids well, then the issues will get resolved over a period of time. Nothing will happen overnight. Maybe it will take long time now. Because cyst and all that does not happen overnight. But then there is no other solution also.
Okay, so you are telling me to just, take that 5 minutes rest and...
see, I'll tell you one thing, I don't have much of experience in medicines. You simply ask them what is the ratio and ask them to give it in writing. What is the probability of you getting rid of this polycystic cyst and all that if you take the medicines? So they may not be able to tell whether you will be able to get some relief or not, but they should be able to tell what is the average ratio of the world, like what is happening to the other patients on an average. Out of 100 people, how many people get relief from this thing? It's not 1 or 2%.
Correct.
So if they say it is preventive, then there is no point in preventing, because if you change your fluid habits, then that prevention is, it's not only prevention, it will be cure also. In case it could be slow, but it is a cure. It could
But
be damn
how
slow.
about this umbilical hernia, sir?
Sir, it is also fluid, only the fluid does not get through a certain location. Some this thing will get twisted. Some arteries or something will not get blood supply. They will get twisted, and the fluid will start accumulating there, and it will like make a way.
Okay.
So I'll tell you one story.
Okay.
There was one gentleman,
Okay.
about 75 years of age.
Okay.
So slightly, you can say, crazy kind of person.
Okay.
So I was washing my car, so he stopped by, and in my colony only. And he
Okay.
said, see, he is very good at this knee pain.
Okay.
He can, within 1 or 2 sittings, he can help everybody get rid of the knee pain.
Okay.
So I said, how you can do that? So he said that I have got some special powers from the God.
Okay.
So I can do it. I said, see, okay, that's fine. Then whenever you fail in your this particular system, when you feel like a particular patient is not getting any relief, then you send the people to me.
Okay.
Then after waiting for 5 minutes, he said, see, can you tell me, I have a very bad habit after eating food,
Okay.
I lie down on my stomach.
Okay.
And unless I lie down on my stomach, I don't get sleep.
Okay.
So is it right or wrong?
It's lying down stomach is wrong only.
So I said, see, you will have this hernia.
Okay.
And the
Okay.
moment I said you will have hernia, he immediately pulled up his shirt and said, this is, I had 2 hernia. One I got
Okay.
operated, and this is the other one. So these are the things which are like, whenever the blood circulation stops somewhere, it will create a problem, and
Correct,
it
correct.
will not create one problem only.
Correct.
Overall, throughout your body, the blood circulation is deteriorating.
Correct.
It will have diabetes, it will have blood pressure, it will have stroke, it will have cancer, it will have everything.
Okay. Okay.
These all are connected,
Correct. Correct.
and hopefully this system which I am working on, though I don't have much experience, much education or anything, but my personal belief is, because the way the people are responding, my personal belief is that this can solve at least 90% of the ailments. And 10% I cannot solve, because some of the things I don't understand, to be honest.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
Because I am not an expert, I have never done surgery, not leave aside surgery, I don't know a lot of things. I have always tried to get in touch with my friends, my classmates who are doctors now. I
Correct.
tried to work with them, but these people are not interested at all. They are sick themselves, but they are not interested in being healthy also.
Correct.
It's not about others, it is about yourself.
Correct. Correct.
Because I don't think anybody else is going to stay healthy for another 5 to 10 years. We are in the age group of 57 now.
Correct. So now my 5th day is, that means 6th day is over. Okay, so
You
tomorrow
can
I have
change it.
to,
You can leave aside this thing. You can change it. You can change it to 3 days and 1 day, and it should be okay, I think.
okay, 3 days and 1 day.
Yeah, you need to dehydrate more and hydrate less.
Dehydrate more.
Yes, and when you feel like the pain is increasing, even on the
Okay.
dehydration days, then you need to increase it.
Okay.
You just have to
When
take.
pain is increasing, I have to increase more water.
See, when you are dehydrating and you feel like the pain is increasing during dehydration period,
Okay.
then you need to increase the water intake, and substantially.
Okay. Okay.
So the earliest the opportunity, whenever you feel like, see, if you get a pain on a dehydration day for a day or so, it may not be the correct picture.
Okay.
But if you regularly get it after like 2-3 situations happen, and you feel
Okay.
like the pain is going up in the dehydration days, that is a very clear signal that you have to increase the fluid intake. And in that
Okay.
case, you might have to increase to 10-12 glasses also.
Okay.
But whenever you increase the fluid intake, at least for next 124 hours, reduce the water intake.
Okay. Once I increase 12 glass means I have to reduce the next immediate day.
Yes, that is the best thing, because that is
Okay.
also one form of exercise of the internal organs.
Okay. Okay.
Otherwise also, for once in 15 days, whatever it be, increase the water intake to 12-13 glasses.
Correct. Correct.
Even if there is
Correct.
pain, because that is an essential exercise.
Correct. So this whatever I take, water, what should be the minimum quantity like each glass, sir?
150 ml minimum to 250 ml.
Okay, it will one can vary from 150 to 250
Yes,
each glass.
yes, yes.
Each glass. Okay,
Depending on
and
your saliva condition.
okay, my wife also doing this.
Hmm.
Okay, she is actually having a period problem.
Hmm.
Okay, because her age is 42 now.
Hmm.
We are issueless.
Okay.
Okay, and my age is 50.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and since these periods are not proper.
Sorry? Periods.
Her periods are not proper.
Hmm.
Spotting only 2 days, and she is facing this issue from last 3 years.
Okay.
Okay,
So
and
last 3 years there's not even one normal period.
periods are there.
Yeah, but spotting is there, normal is not there.
Normal is not there.
So not even
Okay.
once.
Maybe I will give to her. You talk to her one
Okay.
minute.
Hello.
Hello.
Sir, it was there for 1 year, and in between I've taken medication from homeopathy and Ayurvedic. That time, 2-3 months it was happening. Again, the same problem. It will be spotting, and in between it is happening. There's no particular time,
Okay.
like in a month, 2 times, 3 times, like that. In between spottings and all are happening, not proper.
Okay. What is your height and weight?
My height is 5.2, weight is 63 to 65.
Okay. And you also follow the similar thing and walk and rest also.
Yeah.
Besides that, once in 10 days, you completely follow that also, wherein you increase your water intake to about 10-12 glasses a day, and next day no water.
10 to 12 glasses.
Yeah, and it will take about a month or so. Within 1 month or so, your period should be as perfect as 28 days. Maximum within next 2 months, you will start having periods wherein it will be exact 28 days, and variation will not be more than 12 hours.
Okay, no, now the same thing I was following, my husband was doing the same thing. Now from tomorrow, what I have to do, 10 to 12 glass I have to drink, is it?
See, like at least 3 days in a week or 4 days in a week, drink only 1 glass of water with each meal. So total 3 glasses of fluid in the entire day.
Okay.
Once in a week, increase it to 10-12 glasses.
Okay.
And the very next day, stop drinking any water at all. Zero, let it be zero.
Okay.
So with these variations, you have to do at least 8 to 10,000 steps also.
8 to 10,000 steps.
Yes, walk and rest. Like 5 minutes walk, 5 minutes rest. So how you distribute throughout the day is up to you. Whether you want to do like 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour at night, that will take care of these steps. But best for me is that every half an hour, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, you walk for 5 minutes.
Okay, half an hour, 45 minutes. Okay.
And you can use an app in case you are not uncomfortable taking the mobile along with you. So you can count this thing will count the steps, your mobile. I'll send you an app, install that app, and there will be one group also. You can join that group, and I will also be getting the information how many steps are there. There are other people also, so you get some kind of motivation also. Others are doing this much, so you should also not fall behind.
Okay.
Okay.
And from yesterday, I'm getting little back pain also.
So in case you're getting back pain, the best way is to increase your fluid intake to 12 glasses and then to reduce. So when you increase your fluid intake, maybe the back pain will increase. So take more rest on that day so that you don't unnecessarily injure yourself. And the next day when you stop taking all the fluids, 90%, 80% of your back pain will be over.
Okay.
So main point is that you have to keep yourself mobile, and as much importance is of walking, the similar importance is there of resting also.
Okay.
So take as much rest as possible.
Okay. Yeah.
I'll send the if you have a separate mobile and WhatsApp number, so send me hi. I'll send you that app and other things.
Okay. Fine, sir. And also for my gums, when I brush in the morning, no, sir, that time it will bleed.
See, if you follow this principle of drinking water with the meals 4-5 times in a week, slowly the saliva will increase, and as the saliva keeps increasing, your gums will stop bleeding. For the time being, spend as little time as possible. Do not use toothpaste. Take a softest toothbrush,
Okay.
and with the plain toothbrush, clean your teeth so as to remove the plaque only,
Okay.
and stop using the toothpaste and all that. And just for 15 seconds, don't overdo it,
Okay.
so that you are not injuring your gums more. And within 15 days to 1 month, this system of increasing your saliva will increase, and your this gum damage will stop completely.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, you can send it to the same number only, sir.
Okay, I'll do that.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.